Welcome back. So let's grab the weights. You know you can do it without the weights. And I'm going to start with squats. So right here, I'm going to go down and I'm going to come up and again contract your glutes. That's going to be your option one. Do you remember you can even do the chair squat right here? Okay. But today at life we can do something a little bit different. So if I do my squat, shoulders down and back, down, I'm going to reach up and I'm going to twist both feet and I'm going to face to the right. Okay. And then we're going to go back again. Inhale, exhale, switch your arms, twist both feet. You really need to protect your joints and you go up and slowly release. It's not everybody who can lift their arms above their heads. If you want to do it without your weights, please go ahead. You really need to listen to yourself. Shoulders are down and back. Let's go. Down, press your big toes right on the floor. Twist both feet. Catch your balance before you bring your weight up. And slowly come up. Shoulder down, right in the pocket. Come back. Twist your feet again. Up. And twist both. I should say pivot. And let's go up. Shoulder down in the pocket. Abs are tight. Let's go back to neutral. Down again. Pivot your feet. Find your stability first and then reach. Let's go back. Again, down and up. Pivot. And then you're up. So your ankles, feet, toes, knees should be in line before you bring your arm up. Okay, listen to yourself. This is more advanced, but I've been filming many videos already. So people are following me and they are more advanced in their exercise program. Now let's go back. How many more can we do like that? Up, pivot, abs tight, stability in reach, and down and up. There we go. Okay, let's go for two more. Good. Can we do one more? Right here. Let's go down and up. That's it. Good. And reach. Nice. And release. Okay, again, I'm going to give you options. At life, we can do rows. So now you can do both legs together and do rows. If you're more advanced, you would like to challenge more yourself, I want you to go in a lunge. It's easier when you keep your heel down. It's a little bit more challenging for balance on your tippy toes behind. You need to hinge from the hips. Shoulders are down and back. Palms facing each other and row. I want to bring a modification. Show me the palm of your hands and row. Shoulders are down and squeeze. Come on, for 10, 9, exhale, inhale, for 8, press your big toes again on the floor, more stable. Now I lost count, so we're gonna go for 5, in 4, 3, in 2, beautiful, and one more, good, and slowly march it out. I'm gonna go back to squats, and I'm gonna pivot again, second set. Are you ready? Open the legs. Shoulders are down and back. Abs are tight. Let's go down, up, pivot, and reach. So again, optional to use your weights or make sure you use lighter weights. Down, up, pivot. When you're stable, reach. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, exhale to reach your arms. And let's go again. Down, up, pivot. Good. Can we do 4? That's it. In 3. 2 more. Have you noticed that I'm going very slow for this one? We need to protect the shoulders. They are fragile. They're just small muscles, ligaments, tendon holding the shoulders in the socket. That's why we need to babysit them. Good. And slowly release and rotate your shoulders. I'm going to go back again to shoulders and upper back. I'm going to give you options. You can, again, keep your legs together if your legs are tired. And I want you to do this one. If you don't like this one because too hard, go back with the rows. If you're more advanced, I want you to switch your legs. So now I'm going to have my left leg in front, hands on the hips, and I'm going to do my reverse fly. So shoulders are down and back, hands on the hips, abs are tight to protect your lower back. Inhale, exhale to open. Inhale, exhale to open. So I see that all the time at the gym. You know, people are swinging the arms. Go for lighter weights instead. Control your movement. Again, for 6. If your shoulders are getting tired, go back to the rows. 3, 2, and 1. That's it. Push forward. Please march right here. We're going to do more legs. Let's open your legs right here. So I'm going to go behind my chair, and I want you to do the same. Go behind your chair because I want you to keep a visual of it. That way it's just safer. I'm going to bend a tiny bit my left knee and then come back. Bend the right knee and come back. So you decide how deep you want to go. That's easy. Option 2, bring your legs together, out, legs together. Okay, I'm going to go with option 2. Please listen to yourself. Let's do 12 each leg. Are we ready? Let's go. Down and up. Inhale. Exhale. Optional to use your weight. Some of you have enough of their body weight. That's it. 6, 5. No, I'm not doing anything with my upper body on purpose. 3, 2, and last one. That's it. And release. Let's march it out. We have a second leg to do. Are you ready? Shoulders down and back. Lift the chest. Abs tight. Let's go. Side and come back. So slightly bent knee. I'm not locking my left knee. It's just slightly bent. And it's easier to bring my legs as well back together. Good. And let's go again for 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Beautiful. Last one. Woo! Good. And release and march. Voila.